Good morning everyone, this is Uma and I'm here to give a seminar on computer forensic. Many of you heard about forensics, right? Okay, let me tell you what a forensic means. Forensic just denotes how methods are applied for investigating the crimes. Now moving on to the contents. Introduction, what is a computer forensic? Characteristics, needs, goal, evidence, applications, skills required, and then the conclusion. Introduction. Computer forensic means retrieving data which is maintained on electronic devices for presenting in the court. The main aim of computer forensic is to provide the evidence which is acceptable by the courts. Information is the main issue, even though if the crime we have seen is if we can't produce a correct evidence, then no punishment will be no punishment will be imposed on that. Evidence plays a crucial role. The information collected results in arrest, termination of employment, preventing future illegal activity. Now moving on to the characteristics, identifying what type of crime it is, and then preserving the collected data and analyzing which kind of analyzing means whether the preserved data is apt for producing in the court or not is judged there. And then lastly, presenting includes just producing the evidence in the court of law. Needs of a computer forensic: to produce evidence in the court that can lead to the punishment of actual, so that the innocent will not be punished. To ensure the integrity of the computer system, that means providing security for the system. And lastly, to focus on the responses to high-tech offenses. Now coming to the goal of computer forensic, the main goal is not only to find who the actual criminal is, but also to produce the evidence that leads to the legal action of the criminal. Let me tell what actually an evidence means. Evidence is nothing but a reason that something is true or not. Evidence is just like a proof. With that, we can judge whether it is true or not. Digital evidence means it is completely related to the data which is stored in a computer. It includes display, printout, and other output of that data. And the data which is used to produce should be understood by a person or a computer system. Applications where we will use computer forensic is in financial fraud detection, criminal prosecution, civil litigation, corporate security policy and violations. Now let us see what are the skills required for a computer forensic. Programming or computer related experience. A computer forensic must have a good programming knowledge and all the computer related things. Broad understanding of operating system and application. They must know about operating system, how it performs and how it is related to the crimes, and what are all the vulnerabilities which leads to the crime and all. Strong analytical skills, which means that one must be logically good at thinking, so that the complex problem can be solved very easily. And they'll come to know what are all the possible ways in which the problem can be solved. They must have strong basics about computer science, strong system administrative skills. This relates to the managing a business, like presenting important information. Knowledge of the latest intruder tools means nothing but they must be aware of what are all the tools which are used by the intruders, that is third party members, by which they are trying to attack the system and doing the crime. knowledge of cryptography and steganography. These two are related for providing secure communication. Cryptography converts the message into some form, and steganography hides the message into some other form. Steganography is also known as covered writing. In cryptography, we use encryption and decryption techniques. And then finally, strong understanding of rules of evidence and evidence handling. Conclusion. Finally, what I want to say is that everyone is becoming more familiar with the computers, both professionally and socially. So there is a need for computer forensic. Computer forensic will enable crucial electronic evidence to be found. Whether the information is lost, deleted, or damaged, the evidence will be collected from that, and use it to prosecute individuals who believes that they have beaten the system. They'll think that they have crashed everything, but the information will be present out there. Computer forensics will retrieve that information and produce in the court. Any queries? Thank you.